Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here, and I already have a video on this mask using socks. If you want to see that, go ahead and check that, but let's just get into this video. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make another face mask using your t-shirts or your shirt, whichever one. So it's pretty easy, so just watch. It will be a quick one. So you're going to be using the hand of your, like the sleeve of your shirt. So that's what you're going to be using. Firstly, you just need your shirt and your scissors. That is all you need. Then I'm going ahead to cut off the hand of my the sleeve of my shirt, which I will be using right now. After cutting that, you will want to flip it over, and then after you flip it over, this is what it will look like. And then all you need to do is fold the two sides of the sleeve or of the shirt. Fold the two sides and give a slit on each side. So I'm giving the slits on each side. It doesn't matter how many slits that you give. You can give any amount of slits that you want to. After doing that, I fold the other side and I do the same thing, giving the same slits. Just little slits, not too deep. Don't cut it too deep, just give little slits. And then after that, I go back and take back my shirt, and then I try to cut the lower part of the shirt. I cut the first part out because I don't want to use that. I just feel like it will be too thick. And then after I cut that out, I also go ahead and cut out the second part of the shirt. So this is me cutting out the second part of the shirt. So this here right now will be the hand of my mask. So I go ahead and make like an 8. Do the same thing over again, like make an 8 twice, and then try to straighten it out. Stretch it out the way you want to, and it will make it look better. So after stretching it out, I go ahead and cut it. There I have my handles for my mask. Then on the slit part, open it up and start fixing this in it. Pass them through the slit. You know how you pass like your rope through something? I don't know how you pass your rope through something. Start passing them through it. You can start by putting the first one down, then taking it up from the back, put it down again, take it up from the back. If you understand, that's how I practically did this. So I do the same thing on the other side of my slit. And then after that, I go ahead to tie it. You need to tie it the way that it will be easier for you to, to loosen it up, so that you can adjust it. If it's too tight, you can adjust it. If it's too loose, you can tighten it up more. So there you go. Boom, your mask. So guys, here you have your mask right here. I had to show you all. So this is what it looks like. You can always stretch it out or anything, but then this is how you put it on. So you can either put it on your ear and then tighten it more like the way you feel comfortable, or you can tie it at the back of your head, whichever way you feel more comfortable, and then adjust it. It's very comfortable and very secure, so whichever way you want to do it, here it is. So go ahead guys and click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Whichever way you want to do it, just go ahead and do your max. I just hope everybody stays home and you guys should stay safe, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post any new videos. That is your max right there. Simple, easy, stay safe.